Mihira, I'm concerned about your medication adherence. While I understand it can be challenging to remember to take pills regularly, it's crucial for managing your condition. Noncompliance can lead to complications and hinder treatment effectiveness. Let's explore some strategies to help you stay on track. Perhaps using a pill organizer or setting reminders on your phone could be beneficial.
I find it difficult to remember to take my medication multiple times a day.
I understand, Mihira. We can discuss simplifying your medication regimen if possible. It's important to find a system that works best for you. Regular follow-ups will help us monitor your medication adherence and make necessary adjustments.
Mihira, have you checked on Mrs. Paul in room 302? She's post-op from a hip replacement and seems to be experiencing increased discomfort. Her blood pressure is a bit elevated too.
Yes, Martin, I saw her about an hour ago. She was complaining of pain, so I administered the prescribed analgesia. Her vitals were stable then, but I'll go recheck them. Maybe the pain medication hasn't kicked in fully yet.
Good thinking, Mihira. Keep an eye on her respiratory rate as well. Sometimes, increased pain can lead to shallow breathing. And, could you please assess her incision site for any signs of redness, swelling, or discharge? We want to catch any infection early.
Of course. I'll do a thorough assessment and update you. Should I call the doctor if her condition deteriorates?
Definitely, Mihira. If her pain becomes unbearable, her blood pressure continues to rise, or we notice any changes in her incision, inform the doctor immediately. We want to ensure her recovery is smooth.